Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can edit your videos. In this video I will use Wondershare Filmora to edit my videos, and I will teach you how you can edit your videos by using this Wondershare Filmora. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first you will install and open Wondershare Filmora, and then this screen will appear. So now you have to add a video for editing. So you can drop your video clips here or double click on this, and you can add videos from your folders also. So here I am importing. Okay, I have imported one video. Now let's import another one. So these two videos I have imported. These two videos, now you have to add these videos to the project. If you want to edit them, click on plus icon and it will ask you match to media or keep project settings. I would recommend you to match to media because it will fix your resolutions and pixels, etc. So add the second video if you want to edit those also. So here it is. Now you can increase or decrease the size, and now if you want to crop the video or cut the video from here to here, click on this icon, and then click on here. And for example, you want to remove this part, then again click on the split icon, and click delete button, so it will delete this. As you can see, it has deleted this part of the video, and it has merged the part with the previous part. Now you can play it. It will play smoothly, no problem with that all. So now if you want to remove or add audio, you can add audio from here, or any music if you want to. And you can also add different type of titles and different transitions, different effects, etc. So here are some effects and here are some elements if you want to add. So this is a very cool video editor. I would recommend you to use this if you are looking to edit your videos comfortably. So this was the guide about how to edit your videos. If you want to check out a complete course about how to edit your videos, I would attach a video with the iCard, and I will also add the link in the video description, so you would check that out and you will be able to learn about how to edit your videos with Wondershare Filmora. So check that out. I hope you enjoy this video. Kindly like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.